Good day everyone. I am now riding a Citadel. You see that in front of me. One passenger, one Citadel. They used to call it Citadel. No, it is a mode of transportation to bring tourists to look into several parts of Hai City. Hai City actually is in central Vietnam. It is one of the major cities after Hoi An and Da Nang. It took us about 2.5 hours from Da Nang to the city. And the city is very beautiful, very clean. Accordingly, this is the city where the monarchs of Vietnam used to live before. No, I do not know if the monarchical government of Vietnam ended after the Vietnamese War or before the Vietnamese War. But what is exciting about this city, my friends, after the rampage of the Vietnam War for so long in that war, look at Vietnam now. They are improving a lot, no, in many ways. After the war, we say that Vietnam is far behind the Philippines, but look at now. It's the opposite already. We are behind from them. In one instance, only in tourism. You know, we decided to go to Siargao, but we declined it because it's too expensive. It mas mura pa ang Vietnam travel kaysa doon sa Siargao. And here we were able to visit 3 cities already in just in 3 days, and many tourist attractions in the city. Beautiful Vietnam. If you have time, you also come here and experience, you know, the beauty of the Republic of Vietnam, especially Da Nang and Hoi An, and this city also, called it Hai City. Thank you.